In this video, I want to show you how you integrate Amazon Pay into your online shop. With Amazon Pay, your customers got the opportunity to pay fast and easily with their Amazon account. Now we want to install the Amazon Pay extension. For this, go into My Extensions. Keep in mind that the Amazon Pay extension is not a standard extension, so I had to download this extension in our Shopware store first. After downloading it, we can now install the app. And then with this checkbox, we can activate it. After activating our Amazon Pay extension, we can now go to the Amazon Pay settings. You can find them in the settings under Extensions, Amazon Pay. Here you can define if you want to edit these settings for all sales channels or a certain sales channel. At this point, you have to keep in mind that only HTTPS domains are supported by Amazon. To use Amazon Pay, you need a merchant account. If you do not yet have a merchant account, you can register a new account under pay.amazon.co.uk/signup. After signing up, you will get a merchant ID, a store ID, a public key ID, and a private key. Please keep the private key safe because this is kind of a password. In the general settings, we can enable our sandbox. This is important for your test orders. Here we've got the URL for IPN. It's important that you store this URL in your Amazon merchant account as well, so that Amazon can transfer every payment action from Amazon to Shopware. And here you can enter your soft description. This is the value that the customer can see as the payment reason on his bank statement. So let's come to the display options. In the display options, you can edit or set if you want to show the Amazon Pay button on your product page, on the login and register page in the checkout, if you want to show the Amazon Pay as payment method in checkout, or if you want to show sign in with Amazon button on the login My Account page. Down here you can change the button color, and you can choose with this checkbox if you want to hide Amazon Pay globally. Now we come to the payment state mapping. Depending on the state's configuration, Shopware does not allow all conceivable transitions. If there's no valid state transition, the payment state remains as it is. If no target states are configured, state changes are applied as intended by Shopware. This means that you can choose payment states for different cases here. For example, the successful authorization, successful charge, successful partial charge, successful refund, successful partial refund, and the case of cancellation. In the advanced settings, you can set your collection mode. This means you can choose between collect payment immediately, collect payment on order state change, or collect payment manually. At this point, you can also exclude products or product groups. Last but not least, we come to the log handling. At this point, I can download selected log files, and I can choose a login mode down here. After that, we just click on save, and then we've still got one thing to do. Go into your sales channel, and then add the payment method to this channel. Click on save, and then you're done. Let's have a look how everything is displayed in the storefront. On your product detail page, you can now directly see the new Amazon Pay button. This little S means that you are working in your sandbox mode. If we now want to buy this product, we just click on Amazon Pay and we will directly be linked to our Amazon account. Press go to checkout and you will directly be linked again to the shopping cart. Here you can see the billing and shipping address from your Amazon account and your selected payment method, Amazon Pay. After clicking on Submit Order, you successfully placed your order.